Hi again. This is the Medicine in 3 minutes. We go straight to the point. The subject is bravely made clear and often illustrated. Today's topic will dive you into the exam. Here's the question. A 16-year-old man presents with a sublingual mass. It is bluish, cystic, and it is located beneath the tongue in the anterior floor of the oral cavity on the right side. It is soft and fluctuant, but not painful. Which one of the following diagnostic is the most likely? Ranula, dentigerous cyst, bronchial cyst, Torus palatinus, radicular cyst. Let's examine case by case. Here's the sternocleidomastoid, and the brachial cyst is anterior to the sternocleidomastoid. What about ranula? It's a mucocele of the floor and the floor of the mouth. What about Torus palatinus? It's an exostose of the hard palate. And what about DENTIGEROUS cyst? It's an odontogenic cyst. And finally, what about radicular cyst? It's arising from periodontal ligament. I repeat the question again. A 16-year-old man presents with a sublingual mass. It is bluish, cystic, and is located beneath the tongue in the anterior floor of the oral cavity on the right side. It is soft and fluctuant, but not painful. Which one of the following diagnostic is the most likely? Ranula, dentigerous cyst, brachial cyst, Torus palatinus, and radicular cyst. I repeat, brachial cyst is anterior to the sternocleidomastoid. Ranula, it's a mucocele of the floor of the mouth. Torus palatinus, it's an exostose of the hard palate. Dentigerous cyst is odontogenic cyst. And the last thing, radicular cyst arising from periodontal ligament. The good answer is Ranula. Thank you for watching this episode of Medicine in 3 minutes. Click the like button and subscribe. Thank you again.